Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Boli, and today I'm here to talk about the double vowel ui sound in Korean because unlike other double vowels, ui has kind of alternative ways to pronounce. So I guess many of you or some of you might get confused in those various sounds of ui. So, if you're ready, let's just get back. Please let me talk about how to pronounce it properly before getting to know the alternative sounds of ui, alright? Because it is basically the combination of two vowel sounds, which is ui and e. You can pronounce it properly by pronouncing the two quickly, like ui, 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 ui. So we can pronounce ui, ui, like other double vowels. This is the original way to pronounce, and by pronouncing it in this way, there's no possibility to be wrong, right? So if you don't know how to pronounce ui, just pronounce it like this, ui, ui. But if you're more confident to try other alternative pronunciations, let's figure out what they all like. Are you ready, guys? Alright, so what you need to figure out to distinguish various words including ui, we need a couple of standards. The first standard to distinguish the words is the word classes, which is whether it's a noun or not. Noun or not. Because depending on it's a noun or not, they have different alternative ways to pronounce ui. So as the first case, if the ui word is a noun, if the word is a noun, now what you need to figure out at the second one is whether the ui is the first syllable of the noun or not. Whether the ui is the first syllable or not. So if the ui word is a noun and ui is not the first syllable, there's no alternative way to pronounce it. So you always have to say ui, ui, ui for those groups of the words. So here are some words suitable for the cases. 의무, 의무, 의회, 의회, 의사, 의사, 의지, 의지, 의학, 의학, 의자, 의자, 의논, 의논, 의도, 의도. And in these cases, because ui is a part of a noun and also because it is the first syllable, there's no alternative way to pronounce. They are always sounded like ui, ui. But if it's a noun, but ui is not the first syllable, it could be pronounced in two ways. The first one is of course ui, ui, as it really is. And the second one is just e, without sounding ui, just e. So first one is ui, second one is e. So each of the word has two possible sounds. For example, we can read ui as ui of course, but also ui is possible. And for those groups, 거의, 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 거니, 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 결의, 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 경의, 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 고의, 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 회의, 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 동의, 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 강의, 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 민주주의, 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 민주주의. And what if it's not a noun? If it is not a noun in the word classes, if it is a whether possessive marker or a postpositional particle, it could be pronounced as e besides 의. So when I say my in Korean, it's 나의, 나의, and 나의 is also could be pronounced like 나의, 나의. So my car, 나의 차, or 나의 차. Your house, 너의 집, or 너의 집. For my mom's bag, 엄마의 가방, or 엄마의 가방. For my dad's friend, 아빠의 친구, or 아빠의 친구. Both of the pronunciation are correct and acceptable. So when we think of the phrase like 본, 강의, 의 to pronounce the proper sounds of 의, I can think of at least 8 possible ways to pronounce. It might sound silly, but I will read them through for your understanding for its various phrase sounds. 본, 강의, 의, 본, 강의, 의, 본, 강의, 의, 본, 강의, 의, 본, 강의, 본, 강의, 의, 본, 강의, 의, 본, 강의, 의. It's crazy. These various sounds is just to make the pronunciation easier, but it turns out to drive you crazy, right? So if this is too difficult, don't care about them. Just remember how to pronounce in the original way, and then if possible, just to think about whether it's a noun or not, and that's the first syllable or not. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.